Hello, little ones.
Do you know what we're doing today?
Learning ABC?
No, close, but we're going to decorate our bags.
Wow, that sounds like fun. Can I use all my favorite colors?
Of course, the sky is the limit.
Nice. I'm going to space.
What is that?
It's a rainbow.
Rainbow is purple, blue and green, yellow and orange and red too.
Yeah!
How do I get to space?
You need a rocket ship.
Draw a triangle.
Color, color, color.
One big rectangle and two circles.
And color, color, color?
Yeah, now draw two small rectangles on the sides. And color, color, color.
And draw some chicken fingers.
Chicken fingers.
Yeah! How else are you going to get to space?
And what is space without planets?
Ooh, I'm going to draw my favorite planet, Saturn.
Add some clouds.
And shooting stars.
Wow!
Our bag looks so cool.
We can carry our aprons and headscarf.
Great work, everyone.
See you later, alligators.
In a wild crocodile.